Y'all, I am so excited. I have been wanting to buy this bag for the last 5 years, but I didn't want to spend that bag for this bag. No. But when you work hard, you play harder. Let's see what we got. Let's go into it. I'm gonna show you guys behind the scenes when I was at the LV store, my whole experience. You guys will be able to see it. I'm gonna put it in the video for y'all. Okay, y'all. This is one of my biggest purchases on a bag. So they did give me some treats. They gave me a whole bunch of like sample perfumes. I have about 8 of them in here. I'm sure I will definitely go back and buy another one. I have my own salesperson. Shout out to Jose. Yeah. So that's what's in my little small bag. Yeah. We're going to go ahead and get to the big bag. And y'all, this bag means so much to me. It's so iconic. Like, I remember being 13 years old, maybe 14 years old, watching my auntie and my cousin just like be Louis and Gucci down, and I'll just be like, oh, I'm finna be like that. Yes. Until I seen the price. Cause why y'all didn't tell me the price? My cousin actually gifted me a few products before I turned 16, which, thank you, girl. I loved and I still have. But I always wanted to purchase my own Speedy, and that's what I got today. And I'll show you guys some pictures of me trying on different Speedies, but this one was definitely the one for me, okay? So let's get into it, y'all. When Jose said I'm going to the back to wrap this up, baby, I said wrap it like a Christmas gift. Put all the bows and whistles on it, because I need to see it. And we're going to see it together. I actually have not opened it, because I was waiting on y'all. Y'all was waiting on me. The moment we have all been waiting for. Tell me this is not iconic. Tell me this is not vintage. When I purchased this, I already had the outfit in mind. I already knew what I was about to wear. However, we're here. So like I said, this is the Speedy 25. The 30 was a little bit too big, and the 20 was a little too much for no reason. And I didn't like the strap. The strap was giving very much Steve Madden. That's why I didn't get the 20. And they couldn't give me the strap for the 25. So, yeah. Y'all, here we go. This is the strap that I wanted for the 20. And they didn't have it for me. So I'm going to try it on with the strap and without the strap. I know this little bag because I do have a pair of LV earrings, but I don't have a bag. So this is my first bag. But my earrings came in this pouch. So I do know the pouch. Let's get into it. And this is just the locket. I'll come up so y'all can see it. To me, so cute. It just gives like a personalized, just a little touch. Like, it just gives a little character for me. I am going to go back and get the gold LV keychain, but baby, that was like $400, and I need to wait and think about it, because this right here, okay, yeah. This is already enough, okay? When he said you want to add the keychains, I was like, when he said 500 for the first one, I was like, ooh. But then he dropped it down to 3, and I was like, let me think about it. All right, y'all. I already put my DJI and all my other essentials in here. And I seen how it fits. I did get the canvas, so this is a canvas bag, as you can see. Yeah, so the reason I got this is because it is collapsible. So when you on vacation, you do not have to worry about this being bulky or anything like that, because it literally lays down super flat, literally like a pancake. Baby, this is gonna go right on my plane ride, my cruise ride, everything. We're good to go. And it just pops right on up. Love this. Love the color. Like I said, I already have what I'm wearing this with in mind. I'm going to do my red boot, and I definitely will show y'all when I do it. Let's put the strap on so y'all can see how I look with the straps. I did tell my husband about the charms. He's already about to order me a scarf. I didn't want to get it there because I was being a bit modest. Didn't want to spend too much. But yeah, he decided he wants to get the scarf at least. And I think the scarf was $2.95, if I'm not mistaken. And the LV gold charm was $320 or $350. And then the LV gold and black was $500. It was $495, $500. So yeah, it was a bit pricey. So I'm gonna have to wait to get those. But I'm definitely probably gonna get the scarf first, and then I will get the charm. I really like the gold one. So this is the strap that the 20 didn't come with, and I wanted this for the 20, but it came with some other pink strap that I really did not like. And this one is way better because it's thin. The other one was very thick. It just didn't fit the bag at all. This obviously is what comes with the bag, but I don't know why they did that. So this is how the bag looks. I did do my nails, obviously, to match my new bag. I'm so excited with my purchase, y'all. I've been wanting this bag for so long, and I finally got it. I know my husband was tired of me saying, I want a Louis, I want a Louis. Your girl got a Louis. Your girl got a Louis. Yes. And after this is going to be the Chanel, period. I do have a Chanel that I want, but it is $7,500, so I'm going to have to wait next year. Next year birthday, I'm going to get that one, but this is what it's giving. I know that's right. Period. Girl, you really bought it. Yeah, I did. On your mama and my mama. Y'all already know that. Y'all, so I just told my husband I'm not going to get any Christmas gifts because I cannot. I can't do it again. I found it for you. Okay. I show you. That one's nice. That's not so heavy. Yeah, I'm done. I have wanted this bag for the last 5 years, and the fact that I finally got it, y'all, I am sweating right now. Like, the girl, I don't know. I'm just like blown away. Like, what? Are you serious right now? Cause excuse me. How? That's just God, y'all. God and hard work. But God came first. So yeah, I'm super excited. However, I'm mad because I went to Tory Burch and I done bought stuff at Tory Burch. Like, why did I do that? I should have waited. So this is my Tory Burch bag, and I'll show y'all once I get home. Love at first sight again. Oh my God. I love this bag so much. Huh?
I say inspect it. Make sure
Oh yeah. Hold on. Well, it's so good for fall.
I mean, honestly, you can wear it in fall or now because it has like a subtle brown hue to it as well. It's not vibrant.
I love this color. This is my favorite lip color. That's why when he showed it, I was like, I know, that's the thing. The canvas isn't like structured, but that's because the canvas print. See, I just feel like the 20 is like safe for me. But the 25, I like the 25, but this one is just like, I got to get a 20. I got to get a 20. And I think this might be the this might be the one. Yeah, I do.
Okay. So if the 30 makes sense, I think the 20 makes sense. Like if it's more for like those quick errand days, or if you want to have a bag to go out and dress up, you can do that with this one.
I love the color. That's what's throwing. This color is so nice. It just reminds me of like a matte lip, like a matte MAC. Yeah, okay. I love this size. Oh, this is good. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my first Louis Vuitton bag. I did get the iconic Speedy 25. I absolutely love it. I've been wanting it for the last 5 years. Any charm recommendations, please drop them down below so your girl can go ahead and put them on my list, my Christmas list. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, peace.